To draw the drawings effectively, these are the minimum tools that you would require. You need a long ruler, a proper pencil, eraser. Never use the eraser which is behind the pencil, it doesn't do good. And you need a sharpener all the time, a compass to draw a circle, and a pencil. So the way you attach the pencil to the compass is, you will just insert it like this. See that both are at the same level, and then lock it tight so that it doesn't move. Okay, right, the compass is ready. This is the protractor that you will need to mark the angles. A small scale, sometimes it can be helpful. And then you need two set squares, right? So whenever you want to draw a circle, make sure the pencil is proper, as I told you before, and it has to be in the same level. And then hold the compass from its tip, not from here, or not like this. It's not going to work. So hold it like this, and you have to give pressure on the sharp edge. So let us try to draw a circle. Hold it, and then slowly rotate it. Never lift the sharp leg, just give it a twist. So there you go, you have a perfect circle. Now I can show you. Okay, there you go, that's a perfect circle. Right, let's draw it from the beginning.